My name is Early Forte. I am a field engineer for Acuitive. My day consists of basically just clocking in the morning before 8 o'clock.
Check my route in the morning, make sure that I haven't had anything changed since the day before.
That you ensure you leave on time to get to the location that you need to get to. Then, once you're on site, if you've got a task that day, try to contact the proper engineers, complete all your paperwork.
Could be doing multiple different things in any given day. A lot of the times it's a Cisco job, so I might be working in a data center, or I might be working outside doing an outside installation, or I might be working on an ATM.
The day-to-day things are different, it's not the same.
The most challenging part of being a field engineer, I would say, is unexpected things that come up.
We try to do a pretty good job of preparing ourselves. That doesn't always work out. Sometimes you get sent to a job where you don't have all the information ahead of time of what you're getting into.
You could encounter lots of different situations. The craziest spaghetti wiring you've ever seen to very organized data center racks.
The key there is to kind of mitigate customer apprehension.
One thing I can say about Acuitive is that they have one of the best technical support side as far as anything that we as field engineers do.
What makes the job worthwhile for me, I think it's the independence.
The experience that you can gain working with Acuitive as a field engineer.
I'm able to organize my van how I want it, keep everything how I want it. It's kind of like my little office.
You jump in your vehicle any time of day and be assured that you can get somewhere, get what you need, go in there and fix a problem for a customer, and then you can walk out of the job being satisfied that you actually corrected the issue for the day.
Like I said, it can be challenging at times, but what I get from as far as the rewards goes is the sense of accomplishment once the job is completed, the sense of appreciation that comes from the customer.
You can go home and sleep good at night. So if you want to learn more about field engineer work, you can go to Acuitive's blog post.
You can actually definitely go to the Acuitive site. Highly recommend anyone that would be interested in the position as a field engineer with Acuitive to come aboard.